Hi, this is WordPress Holder, the Ukrainian guy who can help you with your website. Feel free to contact me with your requests by info under this video, or simply by leaving your request in comment area. Thank you. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'm trying my best for you, and it's easy and free for you. Okay, today I want to show you and explain how to use the WordPress menu. I want to explain you all basics and so you'll be more advanced about using WordPress menu. Okay, if my video help you, sorry, you can say thank you by leaving some donation or tips to support me. All info you can find in description area under this video. Okay, let's start. So here I created the empty WordPress website with default theme. So it's WordPress tutorial. Okay, we see its default menu and that's it. Pretty easy. So to access WordPress menu, you should go into WordPress dashboard. So let's go to WordPress admin. Okay, as you can see, there are no any plugins or custom features. Okay, so to access WordPress menu, we should go to Appearance and click Menus. Here will be all our menus. Okay, so here we can see two sections. First, add menu items. It's not active. You see, not active. And menu structure. First step, you need to check menu structure. First, you should write menu name. So main menu. Okay. Create menu. So we created menu with name main menu. Okay. You see, now add menu items section is active. We can select elements to add to the menu. Sorry for English, so I'm trying my best. So we can choose from pages, posts, custom links, and categories. The more plugins you have, you may have here much more options. Like if you have WooCommerce, there will be WooCommerce categories, WooCommerce products, so much more. Okay, so we don't have any categories, we don't have any custom links. So actually we'll create, let's add pages, like page 1, page 2, add the menu. Okay, so we added it. Simple, really. Let's add some custom link as additional item. Custom link item. Custom link needs some link. It will not work without link. You see, it will show error. So let's add some random link like this one and click add to menu. Okay, we can see it's in our main menu. We can click on it, change our label like page 1 new name. You see, I will remove it. Okay, after we should click save. So sorry, to edit this menu you should just click on it and drag and drop to area you want. Okay, so to add submenu you should click and move it under item. So right now it will be submenu. I will show you on front end in a minute. So the last area you should understand is menu settings. Menu settings is where the places where you can show your created menu on your website. So different themes, all of you different sections. It's coded inside theme and you really can change it without development skills. So use what you have. Our default theme, all of us to use desktop horizontal menu, desktop expanded menu, mobile menu, footer menu, and social media menu. Okay, so I think we need desktop horizontal menu and mobile menu and footer menu. Okay, so 3 areas where will be our menu we create. Let's click save. Save is the most important, you know. Let's check how it works on front end. So we have our menu in main area, so it's desktop horizontal menu. We have our menu in footer area. Footer area doesn't support submenus, so there are no submenu. And let's check. Yeah, and here is our mobile menu. Pretty easy, right? So sorry, it's glitch from mobile. Okay, so we can see our submenu. If we move it like this, let's see what happens. Click save, refresh the page. I didn't save, I think. Refresh, you see? Now page 2 is number 1 item in menu. Okay, let's move it to this, it will be better. So, a bit more advanced now. Additionally, you can create other menus, and typically you need few menus, like one menu for footer, one menu for desktop, or for header. So we click create new menu again with and write footer menu, just like we did before. Create menu. So now we see drop down, so we can change main menu and footer menu we just created. So let's check main menu and remove it, mobile menu, footer menu and mobile menu. I want to show you how it will work with separate menus. So click footer menu and add to footer menu page 1, page 2. Okay, and select footer menu. Simple. And custom link, custom footer link. I write it in caps, sorry. I don't want to rewrite, but it doesn't matter, you know. So save, refresh. Okay, we see the footer menu page 1, page 2, custom footer link. And in main menu, all what as it was before. Select menu, you see, let's change it like this. Let's create additional menu, which will be a mobile menu. Create. Here we choose mobile menu, and here let's add only custom links like custom link 1, some URL, custom link 2, some URL. Okay, save. Let's see what's happened. Refresh. So our header menu looks page 1, page 2, and submenu. Our footer looks page 1, page 2, custom footer link, and let's check how it works for mobile menu. Okay, mobile menu, custom link 1, custom link 2. Looks great, isn't it? So, it's all basics you need to know to edit your WordPress menus. Additionally, what I want to show you, it's for more advanced users. If you know some CSS or you understand what you're doing, there is screen options area. Okay. And you can see show advanced menu properties. You really may need it in future. There is link target, title attribute for SEO, CSS classes, link relationships, and description. To be true, in my development career, I used only link target and CSS classes. It's really what you need. So let's select it, link target and CSS classes. Okay, more close screen options. Let's see what's happened. Now we open our menu and you see here is link target, open link in new tab, CSS classes. So let's select our main menu, page 1, and open link in new tab. Okay, save. Let's see how it works. You see, now it's opening in new tab, but page 2 is still inside tab. Okay, understand. It may be very useful for custom links where you have linked to some other website. So user will not leave your own website and still will see in your website. Okay. And additional item is CSS classes. Like it may be very useful if you want to have some button. For example, custom link item button menu. Okay, let's refresh page. You see there are no submenu anymore as I moved it from here to this. And let's check CSS. So it shows, here it is, button menu. So now you can edit it if you want, of course. So go to additional CSS, click button menu, and let's add some basic styles like background. I don't know which color it will be. Okay, cool. I don't like it. Whoa. Looks crazy. Like, oh, this one looks good. No idea how I achieved it. Okay, some spaces around like 5 pixels and 50 pixels. Text decoration none. So here we need to add this. Sorry, decoration none. Okay, and let's add some beautiful hover, like background red or position. Okay, like this one. So you really doesn't need to know this CSS. If you need some custom CSS, you can contact me by information under this video. I'm happy to help. So anyway, we will find solution. So and here we have button. You see, like so we for color it didn't work. So I need to do like this one. Let's do it. Okay, great. So it's not perfect, of course, and looks a bit creepy, but we are here to learn how menu works. So we could publish, and you see how easily you can add button to the menu. Without custom CSS, you probably can't do it if your WordPress theme doesn't allow it. But I just wanted to show how you can achieve it by adding custom CSS class and editing this custom CSS. If we remove this CSS class, let's see what happens. Doesn't work. So I hope this video was really helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to donate or send me some tips. All information you can find under this video in the description area. I'm really happy to help you, and that's all. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I think you should know everything about WordPress menu, so you are like 1% more closer to be WordPress expert. Good luck. Thank you.